Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I know it's festive period, right? And today I'll be sharing my ChinChin recipe. With just one ingredient, I took this ChinChin recipe to another level. So to my clean bowl, I'll be measuring out my all-purpose flour as usual. Okay, I will drop the measurement on the description box below. So the ingredients I'll be needing for this is your all-purpose flour, butter, nutmeg, sugar, essence, I'm using pineapple essence, salt, baking powder, and my milk flavor. Just one ingredient that took this ChinChin to the next level is your milk emulsion. Guys, this milk emulsion is wonders. Just try this recipe and come back later on the comment section. So let's get started. So to my all-purpose flour, I'll be combining all my ingredients together. I went in with my milk flavor, my sugar, my salt, nutmeg, and baking powder. I will incorporate this properly. Okay, at this point guys, I'll be making a hole at the middle of this bowl and I'll be going in with my essence, my pineapple essence. Like I said, I'm going to drop this on the description box as usual, so check out my description box for the measurement. Oh my goodness, look at the ingredient that took this to the next level. This is my milk emulsion. I'll be going in with my milk emulsion at this point, guys. Combine this together, okay, until it is nicely and well incorporated. So at this point I'll be going in with my butter, you can go in as much as you can, but I just needed this size. Okay, I wanted it to be crunchy as well. So I will be going in with this butter until I get a crumb-like texture. So yeah, this recipe was really my favorite during my childhood days, guys, especially if this is crunchy and tasty as well. I love those crunchy sounds whenever I'm chewing this. So at this point I went in with more butter. I realized that the one wasn't enough. You can go in as much as you can, but remember you'll be frying this on oil as well, so don't make the mistake of adding excess so that it won't lead to scattering while frying. Okay, so I needed this to be crunchy as well, guys, and that is what I'm aiming at in this video. So over here I have my sachet milk. I'll be going in with my water and I'll be using this water to combine these ingredients together. Okay, so I'll first of all make a hole at the middle and I'll be going in with the water gradually, the mixture of milk and water together. Okay, don't forget you can go in with liquid milk or any type of milk you choose. So I'll be combining to form a dough, and this is actually the consistency I'm looking at for, and it's not, your dough is not going to be not too sticky. Okay, so I'll be dividing this into parts so that I can easily roll them and cut it out as well. So you can use any option that works so well for you, but this option works out better for me. So I'll be rolling them into flat and I'll be cutting it out as well. But at this point, guys, I lost the clip for the cutting, and don't worry, I will make it obvious in my subsequent video. Okay, so this is actually the consistency I'm looking at for this cutting, so it's not going to be not too flat. So at this point I've cutted it out and I'll be taking them into the bowl and set it aside for frying. The reason why I sprinkle that flour on top of it so it will be crunchy and separate as well. So remember, you'll be frying this on a medium heat as well. Continue to fry still on a medium heat until a golden brown color develops. And guys, this ChinChin is almost getting ready, and this is the consistency I'm looking out for. And if you're still watching up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, please darling, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Thank you, and see you all in my next video. Bye, and enjoy your holiday with your guest.